Okay, part two after the phone rang, which is always the way when you're doing a video. There is our Synology card, and just get the light in to here. They're the two hard drives, two NVMe, latest technology, and high speed read and write. I've already done a demonstration of that. Everything else is still the same. So the idea, what we're trying to do, the big picture stuff, is reuse an extremely expensive and extremely good motherboard and two CPUs. So the two Xeons that are there are still working wonderfully. The S2600CP motherboard is working beautifully. We've lost the hard drives. They've the original ones have passed away, 2 out of the 4 at least, but after 6 years you're going to expect some kind of breakdown in there. The server itself, I'd like to, from here, with a Windows 10 operating system sitting on it at the moment, it's just going to be a simple file slash small database server, a Firebird database. I'd like to try and get 5 years out of it from here. But the good thing is now, if anything does break, we can just replace the components. So yeah, it seems to be all working fine, and we'll pack it up and get it back to Melbourne.